Operation Sindoor Meet the Patient and Precise LMS Drone, also known as Kamikaze drone. In a swift and resolute response to the April 22 terror attack in JKS Pahalgam, the Indian Armed Forces launched precision airstrikes under Operation Sindoor, targeting multiple terrorist bases across Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Indian fighter jets, backed by coordinated support from the Army, Air Force and Navy, successfully struck 9 locations, 5 in Pak and 4 deep inside Pakistan, killing several terrorists and top terror commanders, as well as family members of Jaish-e Mohammed chief Masood Azhar. A key component of Operation Sindoor was the use of the LMS drone, also known as a suicide or kamikaze drone. Officially referred to as the low-cost miniature swarm drone or loitering munition system LMS, this advanced platform is designed to seek, identify and destroy targets through self-detonation. Indian forces used the LMS drone to carry out pinpoint attacks on terrorist hideouts with devastating effect. NLM's drones can loiter in the skies for prolonged periods while tracking potential targets. Once a target is identified, the drone dives into it, detonating on impact. These drones are especially effective against high-value assets such as weapons caches, radar installations, command centers, and terrorist bunkers. When deployed in swarms, LMS drones overwhelm enemy air defenses by attacking from multiple directions simultaneously. NANN developed indigenously through a collaboration between the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO and private firms such as Newspace Research and Technologies. LMS drones represent a cost-effective yet lethal alternative to conventional missiles. Unlike high-cost missiles such as the Harpoon, LMS drones are compact and economical, yet they carry sufficient explosive payloads to cause extensive damage. They are equipped with high-resolution cameras, thermal imaging sensors, and GPS-guided navigation. Some advanced models even integrate artificial intelligence and machine learning to enhance real-time decision-making and precision targeting. During Operation Sindoor, real-time data from the National Technical Research Organization (NTRO) enabled the drones to lock onto terrorist positions with pinpoint accuracy. NANN swipe left for next video. LMS, or suicide drones, were first employed in the 1980s to deliver explosive payloads, primarily for the suppression of enemy air defenses. By the 1990s, numerous armed forces around the world had begun incorporating these drones into their system for a variety of combat roles. In current operations, LMS drones are deployed in both short-range tactical engagements and long-range strategic missions, thanks to their compact size, speed of up to 50 miles per hour, and ease of deployment. Latest blogs.